Yo guys, Valor Reviews here. Now, this is the Redmi 8, not to be confused with the Redmi Note 8. This is a 48,000 Naira or $131 phone that comes with a USB-C port. Wow. Now let's unbox this phone and see what it has to offer. But before that, it's B-roll time. Now here's the box of the Redmi 8. The variant I have with me is the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM version that goes for $131 or 48,000 Naira. There's also a 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM version that goes for 44,000 Naira or $120. This phone comes in three colors: red, black and blue. I picked the blue color because in my opinion, I think that's the best color out of them all. While I show you the other things in the box, allow me to power on this device and see if this phone can swim. So in the box, you have a transparent TPU case, you have a micro USB cable, which is quite impressive for a device at this price range. You get a 10W charger brick, and that's pretty much it in the box. You don't get a screen protector or earphones in the box, which is typical for Xiaomi and Redmi devices. Now let's get the phone out of the water and see if it survived the mini water test. Remember, this phone isn't water resistant, so please do not try this at home. What do you know, it survives! Now let me clean off the water and show you around the phone. On the top of the device, you have a noise cancelling microphone and an IR blaster to control your AC, your TV, etc. On the left side, you have a dual SIM tray and a memory card slot. On the right side, you have the volume keys and a power button. At the bottom, you have a 3.5mm audio jack, a mic, a USB-C port and a mono speaker. At the back of the device, you have a fingerprint scanner, which is a little bit slow to unlock the device. For a faster way to unlock your device, you can use the less secured face unlock feature. The face unlock feature is really fast, but it doesn't work well at low light situations or at night. Still on the rear, you get a dual camera setup. You have a 12MP camera and a 2MP to capture depth. You also have a mono LED flash. This device feels a little bit heavy thanks to the 5000 mAh battery it's packing. More on the battery to come in my full review. Now moving to the front of the device, you have a 8MP front-facing camera hiding in the notch. The display of the Redmi 8 is a 6.22-inch IPS LCD display. It's a 720p panel with a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. It has a screen-to-body ratio of 81% and small bezels. This display doesn't look bad for the price of this device. Watching YouTube is quite good, although it's capped at 720p. The display is actually good for consuming media. This is the type of display you see on devices around this price range. More on the display to come in my full review. Under the hood, the Redmi 8 is powered by a Snapdragon 439 chip. It's a 12nm chip and my initial impressions is it's okay. I will have to load up the phone with more apps and demanding games and see if it can handle the pressure. My variant of the Redmi 8 comes with 4GB RAM like I mentioned, an octa-core CPU, Adreno 505 GPU. The phone comes with Android 9 with MIUI 10.3.4. So far so good, this phone is exceeding my expectations. I'll be doing more tests, so let me know what you guys want me to test out on this phone. I'll be sure to include that in my full review. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Valor signing out.